In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place your glass sliding shower door here. It's pretty easy to do. First thing you want to do, guys, is you want to loosen up the base here. There's, at the bottom, there is these screws. You got to loosen these up here. And you just gotta lift up this glass door and it comes right off, okay? This is gonna be a part series of how we're gonna replace the whole shower. We're ripping it out and putting some new walls. We're not gonna go with the tub style. Let me see. This is about a 16-year-old shower, so it's pretty old, guys. Pretty antique, or you can say it. Okay, see that piece just comes right off like that. Also want to recommend is, when you work on a shower, cover it up so screws and stuff would not fall down. So we would do that, but first we're trying to get rid of all this yucky stuff, okay? So once that come off, we're gonna go ahead and lift the door out. Right down. See, you just lift it off and it comes right off. You see that? Pretty easy, guys. Pretty simple. Okay. Now you can take these brackets off if you want. You're just gonna leave it on as is. Okay. Now be careful because they are very easy to break. So I got one. Do you see that? Then you take this one, comes right off too. Okay. Now you see these brackets here, these wheels, these brackets, you just gotta lift it off. There's a rail right in here. Let me show you. You see these wheels, this bracket has the wheels, and these shower doors just rise on. See that? Those brackets in there. Okay, that rail, that bracket, you just lift it up, put it in the center, and it drops out. Okay, next what we're gonna do is you're gonna unscrew these here. See those Phillips screws? So that you can take the bracket out, okay? Okay, next we're gonna take these Phillips screws out on the side. There should be about 3 of them on each side. Yeah. None. No. Hey guys, got all the screws out. So now we're gonna just take the brackets out. It should come right off. You see that? Let's wiggle a little bit. Oh. And voila, now he's got myself a giant picture frame. I'll hold one side here. You got it. Okay. Yep, you got it. Watch it here. Watch it. Rotate out here.